Welcome to my new blog post 24. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about business case. This is going to be 5-part series, and in this first part, I am going to discuss about uh, giving you a basic definition about the business case. So let's start. It is actually the project business case is a documented economic feasibility study used to establish the validity of the benefit of a selected component lacking sufficient definition, and that is used as a basis for the authorization of further project management activities. The business case basically lists the objectives and reasons for a project initiation. It helps measure the project success at the end of the project against the project objectives. The project business case is a project business document that is used throughout the project lifecycle. The business case may be used before the project initiation and may result in a go/no-go decision for the certain project. A needs assessment often precedes the business case. The needs assessment involves understanding business goals and objectives, issues and opportunities, and recommending proposals to address them. The results of the need assessment may be summarized in the business case document. The process of defining the business case need, analyzing the situation, making recommendation, and defining evaluation criteria is applicable to any organization's project. A business case normally includes business needs, analysis of situation, recommendation, and evaluation. I'm going to discuss more thoroughly about these 4 points in my further blog post. So, for the star question, you need to measure success of your project. Which document you will use? The first one is business case. Second one is stakeholder management. Third one is work performance report. Fourth one is your gut feeling. So please do not forget to answer the question in the comment section of this video.